Hello everyone, this is Inderpreet. Today we are going to talk about and. As in my previous videos, we talked about a and an. वॉवल्स के साउंड के आगे हम एन लगाते हैं, ये हमने ऑलरेडी पढ़ चुके हैं. तो लेट अस रिकैप्चुलेट. दीज आर द साउंड्स a, a, e. These are the vowel sound. As I told you in my previous videos that u is not the vowel sound. It is vowel though. u के आगे एन कब लगता है, ये हम लोगों ने अपने पिछली वीडियोस में देखा. Here, u के साथ एन तब लगेगा when it is pronounced as a or u. I am talking about the pronunciation. I used to say that pronunciation plays a very important part in this articles. Like umbrella, it starts with a. Umbrella. Unicorn starts with u. Urn starts with a. University starts with u. Look at the pronunciation. I have already talked about it in my previous video. Like umbrella, a, so that we have used an. Urn, a, so that we have used an. Similarly, with unicorn and university, we have used a. Till this thing, the use of a and an हम लोगों को यहां तक क्लियर है. आई सपोज आप लोगों को भी क्लियर होगा. तो हाउ वी आर यूजिंग इट, वाई वी आर यूजिंग इट एंड व्हेन वी आर यूजिंग इट, ये अब हमारे लोगों का यहां तक क्लियर हो गया. बट यहां पे भी एक और चीज है जो आप लोगों को मुझे समझानी है. दैट इज it is not necessary whether the word starts with a or b or m. Pronunciation is important. Always pronunciation is important. Let us do some examples जिससे हम लोगों को ये चीज जो है वो क्लियर होगी. There is a sentence, for example, there is a sentence, I have seen dash one-eyed man. Okay, then there is an example, she is dash MA English. Now look at the pronunciation. From day one, I am emphasizing on pronunciation, not the letters. A, B, C does not matter. What matters? Singular. The word must be singular and starts with the pronunciation falls on the vowels sound. Now let me tell you how जो ये चीज जो मैंने अभी बोली है, how this applicable in these examples. Now I have seen dash one. Now one starts with vowel o, but the sound of one falls on v. One v. So according to my previous justifications, my previous explanations, what should be written here? A. How come? कैसे? क्योंकि o is a vowel, no doubt. But what is important here? Pronunciation is important here. The sound of vowel is important here. One starts with v. So we have written here A, one-eyed. हमें फर्क नहीं पड़ा वो किससे स्टार्ट हो रहा है, हमें फर्क पड़ा इसकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन कहां फॉल हो रही है. सेम इज द केस विद सेकंड एग्जांपल, शी इज डैश MA English. MA की फुल फॉर्म है मास्टर्स. फाइन, मास्टर्स, बट हियर इज रिटन MA. सो जब हम इसको प्रोनाउंस कर रहे हैं तो फॉल कहां कर रही है? A पे. तो विच मीन्स we will write an here. Starts with N. Although it is a consonant, but the pronunciation falls on A. Here. M, A. Falls A. M. So क्या लिखेंगे? And. So I hope you understood the importance of pronunciation in articles. It is not important the word starts with which letter, but yes, it do have the importance of the pronunciation. If the word starts with the that consonant, does not matter. Vowels does not matter. What matters? The whole story of this articles revolves under this thing. This is very important. Keep this vowel sound in your mind. That's all for the day. I hope you understood it. Kindly go through the previous videos as well. So, till then, take care. God bless you.